is my first video tip of the month for 2024. It's a biggie. It's called What Causes Chronic Disease and What Can You Do About It? The cell danger response, a theory developed by Dr. Robert Naviaux, explains the root cause of all chronic diseases, including ME/CFS, fibromyalgia, environmental sensitivities, long COVID, chronic pain, heart disease, cancer, autoimmune disease, autism, dementia, and many, many more. He explains that the ultimate cause of all chronic disease is the failure of the body's innate healing cycle to progress to full health after a stress. So this raises the question, why would this occur? We think that we, i.e. our higher modern brains, are in charge, but that's totally incorrect. Really, our mitochondria are in charge of everything. Mitochondria, the little organelles inside our cells that produce ATP or cellular energy, are much more than tiny power plants. They are the cell's early warning system that there is a problem. When threatened, mitochondria leak or release ATP outside of their own membrane into the rest of the cell and beyond. This extracellular ATP sends danger signals to surrounding cells, starting a cascade called the cell danger response, or CDR. The CDR is a complex integrated process that addresses the danger, solves the problem, and then chaperones the cell back to full function. The mitochondria lead and control the healing cycle. So what do mitochondria need for successful healing? They need to be safe. What does that mean? Safety at the cellular level is determined by having enough food, enough capacity to get rid of waste and toxins, enough energy to function, and a good balance between oxidation and reduction. Self-management helps us meet these requirements of our cells. What we eat, how much rest and sleep we get, how well we pace, how well we're able to avoid or get rid of toxins, and how we manage emotions and stress. The mind needs to be on board as well if we want to feel safe and heal. If we're caught in a fight, flight, freeze state, we waste valuable energy. Then we don't have the resources needed to reprogram the mitochondria to enable full healing. Meditation, positive emotions, and social connection increase psychological safety. There's a third component. We hope that in the not too distant future, drugs that block this ATP release and signaling will be available to calm the cell danger response and promote healing. This has already been successfully tested in children with autism. It's really important to note that unlike current modes of treating chronic disease, in which you have to take expensive, side effect producing drugs forever, inducing the healing cycle addresses the root cause, returning the mitochondria, the cells, and ultimately us, the organism, back to full health. Another learning point, mitochondria respond exactly the same to psychological, social, and biological stresses. Believe it or not, they can't tell the difference. So the mind-body split is a figment of our imagination. The cure for chronic diseases is not to endlessly chase the original biological trigger, for example, an infection or an injury, but rather to use a combination of biological treatment and lifestyle modification to assist our innate healing capacity. We all have it. To learn more actionable, cutting-edge research about how to live healthier and longer, join me in my new subscription-based membership called Live with Dr. Stein. For more information, go to www.eleanorsteinmd.ca/live. Hope to see you there.